Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some keto meals when you're on the go. So a couple of days ago we were in Oxford and we enjoyed breakfast and lunch, which was keto diet friendly, and they were on the go, not home cooked. Now I'll always encourage home cooking wherever possible. Sometimes you'll find yourself traveling or out and about for whatever reason and you'll need a meal, and so I've got two awesome ideas that are my go-tos, starting with breakfast. And now if you're staying at a hotel with a buffet breakfast and you get that included in your deal, then you're in luck, because with buffet breakfast there's so much choice. And with the hotel we were staying at, we had a buffet breakfast and this is what I chose. There's loads of keto options. Look at the tin of beans, not keto. We've got scrambled eggs, mushrooms, there's veggie sausages there, tomatoes, sausages and bacon. You can make a nice keto plate here, couldn't you? And I went for mushrooms, sausages, scrambled eggs, tomato, and then I bring up the fat content with a little bit of butter. And so that was a nice big breakfast which fueled me for hours. And so we were staying in Oxford, so we explored the city a little bit, had a look around at all the beautiful architecture and a couple of the sights to see. And then when it was lunchtime, I went for my favorite go-to lunch when I'm out and about, and that's burgers. You can always find burgers wherever you go pretty much around the world, and you just ask for it without the bun. And in Oxford there just happens to be a Five Guys, so I got to experience my first Five Guys burgers. I went for a cheeseburger, so there were 2 patties, whole lot of cheese, and I chose a little bit of mushrooms and some onion as well, and some tomato sauce and mayo on the side as well. And it was a beautiful lunch, a really awesome way to have a keto meal when you're on the go. And you could go to other fast food outlets or even sit down restaurants will definitely have burgers, and that's just another option when you're on the go, is to have a burger without the bun. I found in some places they might even make a bun out of lettuce, and then you've got lettuce. Other times they'll stick it in a bowl like I had at Five Guys. There's just so many options, and you can really just have your favorite burger just without the bun, and of course without the fries and shakes and all the other carby friends that come along with it. And so then we just spent the rest of the day wandering around Oxford. We went to the Natural History Museum, which is a must when you're in Oxford. You've got to go to a museum, and that's the one we went to. But that is today's short and sweet video with loads of ideas for keto meals when you're on the go. Leave a comment as well. Let me know what's your go-to when you're out and about on keto. What are your go-to meals? I look forward to reading your comments, and remember to like and subscribe for more yummy inspirations, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.